It has been more than a decade since cryptocurrency blockchains first appeared on the internet. All of this began with good old Bitcoin in 2008, and it seems like there have been new blockchains popping up every year since then. Some prefer proof of work, while some opt for proof of stake. But no matter how many new blockchains emerge, the majority of them remain incompatible. As a result, they are unable to communicate with each other. This is the issue that Cosmos is attempting to address with its current design and implementation. Stay with us to discover more about Cosmos. What makes it so unique? How does it function? What are the Cosmos ecosystem's power tools? Reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should invest in Cosmos Atom. You're watching Crypto University, where you'll get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and like if you benefit from it. Also, beware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. What is Cosmos Atom? Cosmos takes a unique approach to Layer 1 blockchain technology. Most L1s are focused on developing their network so that they can provide a wide range of decentralized applications such as NFTs, DeFi, and more. However, congestion and hefty network costs for end users are the outcomes of this method. The Cosmos twists this dynamic on its head. In fact, it doesn't even care about its own blockchain. To put it in another way, the Cosmos platform is a network of application-specific blockchains. That sounds fancy. What's the point? Blockchains that run just one application are known as application-specific blockchains. As a result, rather than a single massive blockchain to manage all of the applications and transactions, several smaller ones exist. As a result of this technique, developers are able to create application-specific blockchains that can give superior sovereignty, security, and performance. Consider Cosmos as the operating system for the iPhone and iPad. It allows developers to design applications that are user-centric. A primary objective of the Cosmos ecosystem is to make it simple to build new blockchains from scratch. As a whole, it's a collection of tools that can be used in many ways. Developers have the option of modifying and creating new tools. To reach this goal, it wants to build a network of blockchains that can talk to each other in a decentralized way. Therefore, what makes it so unique? To the greatest extent, Cosmos resembles the Polkadot initiative, which similarly aims to build a network of compatible blockchains. Unlike Polkadot, Cosmos places more emphasis on the security and governance of the blockchains it works with. Cosmos technology relies on tendermint, a consensus mechanism that enables developers to design a proof-of-stake blockchain that is fast, scalable, and safe is the first. Then there is the Cosmos SDK, which allows developers to create apps on Tendermint-based blockchains. And last, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol is a technology that enables multiple blockchains to join and interact with one another. But how does this Cosmos network function? The Cosmos network is composed of three layers. First is applications. They carry out transactions and maintain the network up to date. The second is networking. It facilitates communication between zones and the hub. The third is consensus mechanism, which is proof-of-stake mechanism that performs the authentication of transactions. For the complete web of chains and layers to work together, these three levels must be linked to each other. This can be done using open-source tools, which can be improved upon by integrating user input. Anyhow, what are the Cosmos ecosystem's power tools? In the last several years, blockchain technology has made great progress. There are tens of thousands of blockchains in existence. The problem is that they are unable to communicate with one another. What's the issue here? Because of the difficulty in transferring data and assets across blockchains, if you have an Sol NFT, you'll have a hard time sending it to Ethereum. That's what Cosmos is attempting to address. It offers tools for building interoperable blockchains that make it easy to do so. Nonetheless, since its inception as a way to build interoperable blockchains, Cosmos has proven to be a popular choice. Today, both Tendermint and Cosmos SDK remain important tools for building blockchains. However, since 2017, there has been a greater emphasis on sidechains that operate with high-traffic blockchains such as Ethereum. The future of this movement is still up in the air. In spite of this, Cosmos has planned to build on current trends such as NFTs, DeFi collateralization, and interchain staking, giving it the opportunity to ride its popularity into the future. And with that, today's video ends. If you gained any valuable knowledge today in this video and want to see more in the future, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and press the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.